Welcome to a beautiful journey where Easter meets the warmth of rustic farmhouse living. In this video, we celebrate the gentle charm of spring through timeless decor inspired by countryside simplicity. Imagine soft morning light, natural textures, and vintage accents coming together to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere that feels both nostalgic and refreshing. Rustic farmhouse style is rooted in simplicity, authenticity, and comfort. It embraces imperfections and celebrates the beauty of natural materials like wood, linen, and stone. During Easter, this style becomes even more magical, as soft pastels and seasonal elements blend effortlessly with aged textures to create a serene and welcoming environment. To achieve a true rustic Easter aesthetic, start with natural materials. Wooden trays, woven baskets, and linen table runners create a grounded and organic base. These elements not only bring warmth into your space, but also reflect the simplicity of countryside living, making your home feel calm and effortlessly beautiful during the spring season. A soft and muted color palette is essential for capturing the essence of farmhouse Easter decor. Think of gentle whites, creamy beiges, sage greens, and dusty pastels. These colors evoke the freshness of spring while maintaining a cozy, lived-in feel that perfectly complements rustic textures and vintage-inspired accents. Incorporating vintage decor pieces adds character and history to your Easter styling. Antique pictures, distressed frames, and weathered signs tell a story and create depth within your space. Mixing old and new elements helps you achieve that timeless farmhouse look that feels curated yet relaxed. Your Easter table can become the centerpiece of your home. Use layered linens, simple ceramic dishes, and natural centerpieces like fresh flowers or branches. Add subtle Easter touches such as speckled eggs or small bunny figurines to bring seasonal charm without overwhelming the rustic aesthetic. A rustic Easter wreath is a beautiful way to welcome guests. Crafted from twigs, dried flowers, or eucalyptus, it brings a touch of nature to your front door. Adding delicate ribbons or small decorative eggs enhances its seasonal appeal while maintaining a soft and understated farmhouse look. Transform small corners of your home into cozy spring vignettes. A wooden stool topped with a basket of eggs or a vintage crate filled with flowers can create a charming focal point. These simple touches make your home feel thoughtfully decorated without appearing cluttered. Flowers are essential in Easter decor, and both fresh and dried arrangements work beautifully in rustic settings. Wildflowers, lavender, or cotton stems placed in simple jars or pitchers add softness and life to your space, enhancing the natural and effortless farmhouse vibe. Your mantle offers a perfect opportunity to showcase your Easter creativity. Layer garlands made of greenery or fabric, add candles for warmth, and include vintage elements for character. The goal is to create a balanced display that feels both festive and harmonious with your overall decor. Rustic farmhouse style thrives on handmade charm. Consider incorporating DIY elements such as hand-painted eggs, burlap banners, or homemade wreaths. These personal touches not only add uniqueness to your decor, but also make your Easter celebration feel more meaningful and heartfelt. Soft lighting plays a crucial role in achieving a cozy farmhouse feel. Use candles, string lights, or lanterns to create a warm and inviting glow. This gentle illumination enhances the textures and colors in your decor, making your space feel peaceful and welcoming. Bring Easter into your kitchen with subtle rustic details. Display wooden cutting boards, fresh herbs, and simple ceramic containers. Adding a small vase of flowers or a bowl of eggs can instantly make the space feel festive while still maintaining its functional charm. Extend your rustic Easter decor into the bedroom with light and airy textiles. Soft linens, floral patterns, and neutral tones create a tranquil retreat. A small arrangement of flowers or a decorative tray with seasonal accents can add just the right amount of Easter charm. If you have an outdoor space, embrace the beauty of spring by decorating with rustic elements. Wooden benches, woven baskets, and potted plants create a relaxed countryside feel. Adding simple Easter details like eggs or wreaths enhances the seasonal atmosphere without overpowering nature. One of the keys to farmhouse style is balance. Avoid over-decorating by focusing on a few meaningful pieces. Let each item have its space and purpose. This approach ensures your decor feels intentional, calm, and true to the rustic aesthetic. Ultimately, rustic Easter decor is about creating a warm and inviting environment for family and friends. It's not just about how your home looks, but how it feels. Soft textures, natural elements, and thoughtful details come together to make everyone feel at ease. While rooted in tradition, farmhouse Easter decor can also embrace modern elements. Mixing contemporary pieces with vintage finds allows you to create a look that feels fresh yet timeless. This blend keeps your decor relevant while honoring classic rustic charm. As we conclude, remember that celebrating Easter with rustic farmhouse style is about embracing simplicity, warmth, and authenticity. By combining natural materials, soft colors, and vintage touches, you can create a home that feels both beautiful and comforting. Let this season inspire you to slow down, appreciate the little details, and enjoy a truly timeless Easter celebration.